Here's a quick tip on how to work on hands, shoulders, and necks. They're all related. Thumb doesn't just end here. It goes all the way down into your elbow. That elbow piece crosses with your bicep, like this. So until you get that thumb to release all the way down, and you want to move your thumb while you're pushing on these spots, or your client's thumb. As you're doing this, you're going to open up that bicep to move better. When you do that, the shoulder is going to release, because once you get the tension out of the hand, the thumb, the wrist, your body goes, well, if I'm not holding tension here, I don't have to hold tension here to lift that up. So if you're holding 16 pounds of pressure here, tension, you got to hold 16 pounds of pressure plus the weight of your arm, just passively. So once you get that hand and thumb released, the bicep relaxes, the shoulder can relax. Your shoulder is so close to your neck that if you're not moving your shoulder, you're also not moving your neck. So we want independence between shoulder and neck as much as we can have. Obviously, if you're doing this, you're already involving your neck. But if you can get that thumb to release, that bicep releases, that shoulder releases, suddenly, oh, I can actually get into the neck. There you go.